Welcome back. This is part 2 of 8 cool things to do in Cartagena, Colombia. If you haven't seen it yet, go and watch part 1. And where appropriate, I'll link in the comment section to the websites of the activities mentioned in this video. But before we dive in, I'm Cassandra from Passport and Soul. And at Passport and Soul, we help BIPOC travelers travel soulfully and with ease. Now back to the video. In this video, we're picking right where we left off at activity number 5, which is taking a Segway ride. Craig and I love Segways. They're so much fun, and it doesn't take a lot of power at all to be able to maneuver them. We took a Segway tour, and we were able to see a lot of the main sites of the walled city. There are many companies to choose from, and in most of the tours, you'll get to go on the city wall, visit important churches, and other points of interest. Next up is visiting Castillo de San Filipe de Barajas. It's located on San Lorenzo Hill and is a military fortress that was built in 1657. In 1984, UNESCO, which stands for the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, added it to their World Heritage List. We had a beautiful view of Cartagena while at the top. But bring your water because it is going to be hot, oh so hot. And be prepared to walk up inclines and climb stairs. The castle is generally open Monday through Sunday from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Now, if you're chocolate like we are, and even if you're not, and if you like chocolate, then you'll probably enjoy visiting the Chocolate Museum. You can learn about the chocolate making process and the history of chocolate within Cartagena. There are samples, there's a shop, and you can also take chocolate-related courses or attend workshops. And finally, activity number 8, dancing the night away at the Bazurto Social Club. I don't even know how we found out about this club. I think just from talking to people. It's really a bar restaurant, and it was so much fun. It's bold, bright, and beautiful. Check out this short video of the night away. The club plays a variety of music from salsa to reggae to Afrobeat to hip hop and everything in between. And they have their own in-house band and specialty drink. You can find the recipe to the drink on their website. I also love the prop outside of the club where you can take a picture as one of the Palenque women. All in all, it's a great time. So, there you have it. In total, between the 2 videos, 8 fun things that you can do when you're in Cartagena, Colombia. So I'm curious, of course, what was your favorite fun activity in Cartagena? Let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the Passport and Soul channel, and forward this video on to someone else. Until next time.